Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, All the Smoke. First of all, I want to say thank you for everybody who's been watching my channel up until this point. You guys have been diehard, you guys have been supporting, thumbs up, comments, subscribers. Thank you. Past my 100 subscriber mark, which has been great. And up until this point, it's been about barbecues. Today, I'm starting a new series, which is about steaks. Today I've got a really premium cut from Farmison. These guys haven't sponsored me or anything, but these guys are basically where I get organic, grass-fed, free-range. I've got 2 ribeyes, quite enough, steaks, which are breed type, which is Aberdeen Angus. I can bring it up here so you guys can see it close up. Breed type is Aberdeen Angus. It's been 32 days matured. Obviously born in the UK, raised in the UK, cut in the UK, all about the UK. I've got my ingredients here. Some lemon juice. Also involves some seasoning, which is probably, it's got mixed herbs in here, black pepper, salt, and brown sugar. Then we have some oil. I use vegetable oil. Then we have some soy sauce. Then we have some apple cider vinegar. And then here we have some onions, we have some really finely chopped ginger, really finely chopped garlic, and yeah, I think that's it, red onions. Now, typically what I do is I grab all of this good stuff, I put it in a Ziploc bag, as you see here, and then I put it all in here, put the meat in here, and we let it sit for about, I love to sit for about 24 hours, I will not lie to you, I put it in 24 hours. The next day I take it out and I do my magic. So lucky for you guys, it's a couple of seconds change, isn't it? But for me, I'm gonna set it up and I'm gonna have to wait 24 hours. At the end of it, you'll be able to move the bag around. You should be confident enough that you've got a good mix. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm back. As you see, it's been 24 hours for me, but not for you. Anyway, we're here. Pretty awesome because this has been in my fridge for 24 hours and it smells amazing. As much as it's in a Ziploc bag, as you see, open up the fridge, you get some really nice, flavorful scents. I'm excited to cook this. We're gonna be cooking this on a new skillet that I bought from Amazon. Budget one, probably about 20 bucks I paid for it. See how great it is. I'll put it in the link so that you guys can see where to get access to that as well. You do have to pre-season it because it's a cast iron skillet. But anyway, let's get on with it. I'm gonna take these out of here and effectively put them on the skillet. So let me just grab the skillet, set this induction hob up, and we are ready to fry. Got my skillet here. Quick kind of breakdown explanation. I bought this off Amazon. I'll put the link on there. It's a bit more grey than this. I've seasoned it. I use vegetable oil, pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes at about 220 degrees. That will allow the vegetable oil to bind to the cast iron. If you don't do that, it's going to rust and it won't be as durable and won't last as long. done. Now I'm gonna switch it over, and then I'm going to get a couple of my chopping boards. We're gonna dice it up, and we're gonna see how it looks. We're gonna taste it, and hopefully it tastes amazing. Let's do this. Did a pull up a lot much closer to help you guys get a view of this. Again, this one was my wife's one, so I'm gonna try to. This one's a bit more well done, but we're gonna try to get some slices of this, so that we can show you some close up. As you can see, it's a lot more well done. Probably as you begin to get closer to the middle, there's a bit of a medium-ish well done, as you can see there. Hopefully that's a nice clear picture. And we just keep going, getting those slices in, nice decent slices. Pick that up, get that to the side. Really want you guys to see the close up. A lot of juice here, guys. Man, this is a really nice cut of ribeye. You can see there. You can see that, can't you? Yeah. So awesome steaks here, man. Awesome steaks, guys. I'm loving these grass-fed British, they say. Take a taste there. Oh, I've always known Jesus is Lord, man. This is some sweet stuff. This is some sweet stuff. I don't know. I don't know if I can ever be vegetarian full time. It just wouldn't be fair on my being. Yeah. So a little bit medium to well, as you can see, but it's really nice. I really love the flavors of the apple cider vinegar and the lemon, the soy sauce. I get a lot of taste in there. Ribeye is awesome. Again, the meat is very tender. That could obviously be the grass fed, not hormone fed. It's not bleeding in the middle. This is some good stuff. Anyway, this is great. Again, I hope you guys did love it. Let's flip it back up. Show you guys my face, because I'm enjoying this. This is one of those sessions where I know essentially, oh my, hold on. I was just mid-talk and that just hit me there. So my missus likes it kind of well done, medium well done. I call this kind of medium well. I do prefer medium though, admittedly. A little bit pink in the center. But yeah, see that marinade just adds a lot of juice, a lot of flavor. And yeah. What was I? Try the marinade, guys. Try this marinade. It makes the Let me stop eating. Try the marinade. Try to get some quality meat from a really good butcher. Grass-fed, organic, free range. You know what I mean? That stuff has to be doing something, because this meat tastes tender, tastes a lot more flavorful. The marinade adds flavor to it. And again, the skillet was pretty interesting because I put it pretty high at the beginning, which gave it that char, which ended up tasting good. But be careful with them, because they catch heat really quick. But yeah, thanks for watching this episode, guys, with my first episode of just dealing with steaks, trying out just new experiments and new experiences. Hopefully next time I've got a comparison, maybe a prime steak against a local standard Tesco type steak, who knows. Just keep watching, stay subscribed, guys. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, thank you for thumbs up, thank you for your comments, all the good stuff you guys are doing. Just keep watching. See you on the next episode.